I'm Holly Ann Jarvis, and I'm gonna show you how to do the Tootsie Roll on the aerial hammock. So we're gonna start in a boomerang invert. I'm gonna push against the fabric, take my legs out into a straddle, wrap one leg through the center, and sit up. Hands are gonna grip on the fabric that's opposite of my knee, and I'm gonna roll towards the ground, keep my body horizontal, and unwrap my legs so I'm back in my boomerang position. You can keep rolling through this as many times as you want. Ta-da! You can find more in-depth tutorials on my website at hollyannjarvis.com. It's just my baby. I don't know what's happening, but I really like the tiny hammock. I love the tiny hammock. It's so